Yeah, hello everyone. What's going on? This is One by One Game Dev, and today we are going to talk about a really frustrating Unity glitch that many Unity developers encounter, which is the game tab zoom issue. If you ever had your game view suddenly zoom in, cutting off crucial parts of your interface, then you are in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple solution and explain the potential causes of it. So, let's get started. As you can see, I have a basic scene here with two sprites, square 1 and square 2. Now, let's take a look at my game tab. When I hit play, watch closely, okay? Let's wait. Okay, yes, as you can see, the scale has jumped to 1.5. This means my game view is zoomed in and my vital information near the edges is being cut off. While this might not affect the final build, but it's too frustrating during development. Imagine trying to debug your UI or tweak your UI and you can see the full picture, right? To get the correct view, I have to manually scale it back down to 1. But if I stop and restart the game, it will again go to 1.5. Even maximizing the game view doesn't help. Let me show you. Let's wait. See? It's zoomed again. So, how do we fix this annoying issue? Well, it's actually quite simple. First, we have to close this game tab like this. Now, right click in your editor layout and select Add tab and then Game tab. And there you go. Let me adjust the aspect ratio a little bit. Now, when I hit play, perfect. The scale remains at 1. No more unwanted zoom. And it works in Maximize View too. Let's take a look. Let's wait. Okay, as you can see, the scale is consistent. Many developers struggle with this one, and me too. And finding a clear solution online can be tough. That's why I'm sharing this quick fix with you. Now, let's discuss why this might happen. One of the primary reasons is changing your Unity layouts frequently. If you constantly tweak your Unity layout, then you are more likely to encounter this issue. And another primary cause is if you use multiple monitors. If you use multiple monitors, screens, extend your displays, or frequently switch your primary and secondary screens, this glitch can occur. So, remember, if you're experiencing this issue after changing your layouts or screen configurations, check your game tab's behavior. If it's zoomed in, simply close it and create a new one. Well, that is it for this video. I hope this solution helps you on your game development. If you found this useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more game development tips and tricks. We'll meet again in the next video. Bye bye.